Alright, I'm out here mowing again. I just started not long ago. We got an eastbound rolling through. There's trash in my yard. I'll have to... go over here to get it. I can hear the bells on that. Oh. This thing doesn't zoom very well. I'm listening to the end of the song Babe by Styx right now. You hear the clang of that bell on him. Only one locomotive on the front, so that might mean that this guy has DPU, or he's just short. There's a couple cars lining up over here on Elms Road. As soon as this guy passes, as soon as this guy's done passing, I'm gonna finish up the front. Yeah, he was just short. Alright, that was quick. Get another break. We got a westbound. Already passed the more Elms Road crossing. Yeah, so westbound. They're going pretty fast too. Look how fast he's going. I don't know how many locomotives because I didn't see it. So, yeah, this guy's going pretty fast. I'd say 45, 50 miles per hour. I don't know. I wish I knew. But he'll pass right by pretty quick. I'm listening to Highway Star by Deep Purple. It's a really good song. It's a cool song. Like, you have to, I don't know. Yeah, this guy's passing by pretty fast. He might be longer. It looks like he's a little longer than the last one. He's definitely speeding up too. I can kind of see he's going faster by each second. So it looks like, and this is all auto racks, isn't it? Yeah, this is an auto rack train. That's kind of, he's probably going to Detroit. In Durand, he's probably going to switch over to the Holly sub and go south to Detroit. Yeah, he's going pretty fast. Wow. Oh, there's a little bunny. Not my bunny, though. There's a little bunny. Is he still laying over there? Because it kind of looks like it. Yeah, he's just laying there. Cute. Just that little bunny hop. He's just sitting there. Whoa, that was loud. That's not the train. They're doing some kind of... Actually, I think that's a tree branch over there. They're doing some kind of construction over here. They were supposed to put in like a mega site. But the contract fell through, or people voted no on it. Pretty much everybody voted no on it. So, yeah, they got the contract to clear out the land, but everybody voted no on it. So they're doing, last I heard, they're putting in like townhouses in there or something. Oh, this guy's going pretty, and these are all auto racks. I can see that they're all auto racks. That is pretty crazy. That might be a squirrel over there. I don't know what that is. This guy's There he is. There's the end of him. Anyways, yeah, they're doing something over here on this land over here. Can't really see it well, but they're doing some kind of construction over there where they're tearing up the land or something. And they're, last I heard, like I said, last I heard, they're putting in townhouses. Cool. I'm already standing out here because I'm like, oh, I thought I heard a horn. And then I'm like, nah, it's probably not a horn, but it is a horn. We got another eastbound coming through. This crossing hasn't activated yet. It should any second. Actually, I think it just did. Nope. Because people are still crossing. People are still crossing over there. It's kind of hard to film them like this, but yeah. Man, listen to that song. I was listening to Scar Tissue by Red Hot Chili Peppers. Yeah, this guy is going pretty slow. I'll try to get over here a little bit more. It's gonna be a minute. Still hasn't activated yet. You know, you'd hear it, so at least I could hear it. I don't know if you can hear it on here. Like I said, this guy's going pretty slow. There they go. Yeah, I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. But this guy's going pretty slow. I'm going to sit down here for a minute. Try to get him through here. Because, like, my feet kind of hurt. Can't really see it that well. I mean, I can kind of see it. Yeah, there he is. What, look, it's another fucking auto rack train. Actually, this one might not be auto racks, all auto racks. One's coming in, this guy's probably going to Flynn. Because there's a auto rack, auto port in Flint, right east of, just east of the GM truck plant. But he might not be going to Flint because he's kind of going fast. I say he's doing 35. I mean we're still 3-4 miles out from the CN's Flint terminal, and then that'd be another mile from the auto rack port. So this guy's probably came out of Detroit. Since it's an auto rack train, because there's, you know, there's a lot of there's also car manufacturers like in the Detroit area, like Chrysler and Ford. Ford, I think, is Dearborn. I think there is a GM, yeah, there's a GM plant in Hamtramck, which is kind of like Detroit. See, Ford, I think Dodge, or not FCA, Stellantis America. Used to be owned by Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep used to be owned by Fiat, but they got bought out by Stellantis, I think in 2023, but I could be wrong on that. Yeah, this guy's still going kind of fast. He might be going to Flint, I don't know, but like I said, this is all the racks. He might be going to Canada or Port Huron, I don't know, but this guy, like I said, he's going kind of fast, so I can still hear the dinging of the e-bells over there. There's a couple of people lined up here on the road. You can kind of see them through here. A little white car. This train might be coming to an end here pretty quick. Yep, there it is. All right, that's the end of that guy. See, look, they're doing some kind of yard work or work over there. I think it's a combine. I'm done mowing and I'm taking a break. We got a westbound coming. No fucking way. That's crazy. I think that's a westbound. Yeah, it's a westbound. He's going kind of slow. So he just left Flint. Sit down here again. Look at that phone box. I think it's a phone box. Either that or an electrical box. Kind of busy today. Looks like a green manifest. There's some tanks on it. That is crazy. Is that the end of them? Looks like that was the end of them. Yeah, that one was shorter than I thought.